Hi sellers, welcome to this video on how to reprint your Easy Ship labels. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to reprint your shipping label if you missed them while scheduling a pickup. To start, log in to your Seller Central account. Click the menu icon in the top left. Go to Orders and select Manage Orders. Next, choose Easy Ship Orders. Click on the Sent tab and then select Waiting for Pickup. Under Order Details, click the order ID for which you want to reprint the label. Scroll down to the Package section and select Reprint Label. The Print Documents page will appear. Scroll down to the documents required for this package section and click Print to download the shipping label. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to reprint your Easy Ship shipping label if you missed them during pickup scheduling. Thank you for watching and happy selling!